Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a product that's been a game changer in my kitchen. It's the Brio Sparkling Water Dispenser, and I think it's about to change the way you drink water forever. I've been using it for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a really cool addition to my home. It's a sparkling water dispenser, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's a machine that dispenses sparkling water. But what's really interesting about this one is that it's designed for home and office use. So whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or provide a cool perk for your employees, this thing is perfect. I've seen it being used in offices, and it's always a hit. People love having access to fresh, sparkling water all day long. So let's break down the specs. It's got dimensions of 8.66 by 18.38, which is pretty compact. The tank size is 5L, which is a good amount of water, and it's got a 4-stage RO filtration system, which is really impressive. It also has a temperature range of 39 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, which is super versatile, and it's got a touch screen display, which is really easy to use. And it comes with a 60L CO2 cylinder, which is a lot of sparkling water. The 4-stage RO filtration system is really what sets this product apart. It removes impurities and contaminants from the water, leaving you with fresh, clean-tasting water every time. I've been using it in my daily life, and it's been really great. I just fill it up, and I've got sparkling water on demand. It's been a really nice addition to my daily routine. I've also noticed that I'm drinking more water now, because it's just so easy to get a glass of sparkling water whenever I want. I've even started using it to make other drinks, like sparkling tea, and it's been a game changer. In the real world, I've seen this product being used in all sorts of settings, from homes to offices to restaurants, and it's always a hit. It's just so convenient to have access to fresh, sparkling water all the time. And the best part is, it's really easy to use. Just fill it up, and you're good to go. I've even seen it being used at parties and events. It's a great way to provide a unique and refreshing drink to your guests. Overall, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's been a really great product, and I think it's definitely worth checking out. The only thing that keeps it from being a 10 out of 10 is that it can be a bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. The convenience and versatility it provides is just unbeatable. I've been using it for a while now, and I've got to say, it's been a really cool addition to my home. And I think it could be a great addition to yours too. So be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.